Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a folder in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. If you want to create a folder in your desktop, then click the right button of your mouse. Now here you can see New and click on Folder. Give a name of your folder. So this is how you can create a folder in your desktop. If you want to create a folder in your files, then go to File Explorer, click on any of this file, and now click the right button of your mouse. Now click on New and Folder. Give a name of your folder. So this is how you can create a folder in your File Explorer. So this is how you can create a folder in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.